Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and if you wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, should I subscribe? Yes, you should. Mr. Belle got some good videos in this cooking in this Power XL. That's all you have to do is hit that button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Lately, I've been doing a lot of different things in this Power XL, so today, I'm going to be doing something entirely different today. Today, I'm going to be doing some fried mushrooms. We eat a lot of mushrooms in this house, so today, I say I'm going to fry some and see how they come out. You know, football, different things coming up. This right here be good to put on that list, on that table, when you want some knickknacks or if you have some friends. We're going to be doing this together. You know, Mr. Belle like taking you step by step. My ingredients today is some nice, good mushrooms. As you see, they're nice and whole. I cut just a little bit of stem off. My ingredients today, I'll be eyeballing a little mustard inside these eggs when I beat it up. 1 cup of cornmeal, a teaspoon of ranch season, teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of paprika. Today I'll be doing it in this Power XL. So today what I'm gonna do, you know I can't fry with this top on for all my first time viewers. If you wonder how to take this top off, that's all you do is just wiggle one time, take it off, put it to the side. And let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on fry. Put it on fry. I'm going to set it for 375, the temperature. And then I'm going to set the minutes for, I'm going to set these minutes for, I'm going to start it with 30 minutes. And I'm going to press start. As you know, it's going to be preheating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pour this Western all in here. So this could be getting heated up while I'm mixing up everything else. We're going to heat this up together. And this right here going to be a good, delicious dish and everything. We do a lot of mushrooms in this house. And we love them. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to put a little in here, get this nice and good and heat it up and everything. Just like that. Let it get nice and hot. In the meantime, I'm going to take this bowl and I'm going to just start cracking these eggs and put it in here just like this. Crack this egg and put it in. Put this to the side. Put this one in. Put that to the side just like that. And I'm just going to beat this up before I put a little mustard in here. Like I say, I will be eyeballing that mustard when I put it in. Just beat it up. This right here is just going to give it a little coat to stick to everything. Just like that. Just beat it up nice and good. And I'm going to just put a little mustard in there just to give it that little taste. Just like that. Just eyeball. Just a little bit of it. Just speed it up some more. Just like that. Speed it up nice and good. Just like that. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put these mushrooms in just like this. In this bowl. Just start putting some of them in there. I ain't gonna put too many in at one time. Get it mixed up in there so they could be nice and good. Just like that. Get them mixed up. Put a couple more in there. So when I take them out, it could be frying up nice and good. Get it nice and good like that. So what I'm gonna do, set this to the side. So I'm gonna take this right here. You know I like mixing up all my ingredients together. So I'm just gonna take it and put it in here. Put all this in there again, like that. And just mix it up. Just like that. Mix it up real good. So I'm going to take my bag right now and I'm going to put my cup of cornmeal in there. In the bag right here. Just like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm just smash this up just a little. Just like this. Just smash it up and everything. Get some of them lumps out because you don't want to be biting no lumps. Now, no one ever fried mushrooms before. If you love mushrooms, you're going to love this one. Just smash that up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this mix that I mixed up in there and pour everything in there. And mix it up again. Just like that. Mix it up nice and good. Just like that. Mix it up. As you see, this is still circulating. I'm trying to wait till it stops circulating, but I'm gonna get these nice and good in here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these out one at a time and put them in this bag right here. And just gonna take them out like this. And put them in this bag, just drop them like this. Like that. Just like that. Put them in there, one at a time. Put them in like that. It's looking good too. And I'm gonna seal this up right here. And I'm gonna just do a little shake for a while. And shake it all up in there like that. Just like that. Just like that. Get that cornmeal on them. Like that. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just drop these in here so it can be getting nice and good. Just like that. Just mix them up. Just like that, just like I did the first batch and everything. And put it in. Like that. And I'm gonna put this to the side. And you know, Mr. Belle, as this be cooking and everything, all my first time watchers, you know, wash your dishes as it cooking. Don't save it for your wife. Don't save it for your kids. Don't save it for your friend, your roommate, because they might be hungry, want to taste it, and they might change their mind because they wonder who gonna wash the dishes. I had a few comments on, they like for me to say wash your dishes as you cook because people want other people to wash the dishes. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start putting these in there out the bag. Just like this. The grease is hot. I know it's still haven't say add the food, but I'm gonna just start putting these in. Just like that. They say add the food, so I'm starting just right, adding this food. Just like that. Put it in. Let it cook. We're gonna see how this come out. Put it in just like this. We're gonna look at this together. As you see, they in there. Just like that. Okay, you know, Mr. Bell, take these step by step. I'm going to turn these over and see how they come out. Oh, yeah. We're just going to turn it over just like this. Let it cook the other side. Looking pretty good there. These are going to be delicious. It's just something else, a little side dish or something. Show you what you can do, how you can cook different things. Like that. The sizzling stopped, so what I'm gonna take these out, put them right over here on this plate. Get some of that excess grease off them, just like this. And put it in just like that, let that grease come off. Sit them on this paper towel. Just like that. Look, they still whole and everything. Looking good. They looking nice. I'm gonna put this other batch in while them cooled off, because I will be tasting it with you. And for all you vegetarians out there watching, this is almost like eating meat. You know, this is what they make the patties out. They use these too. So this right here should be tasting pretty good. Put that in there just like that. This right here is the last batch. Get that cooked. Let that cook just like that. Okay, we're gonna turn this last batch over and see what it look like. Just like that. Just turn it over. Like that. Let it cook. And just like that. These right here gonna be tasty. Okay, these is just about done. They are done, and I'm gonna take these out and put them on this plate right here, because we're gonna test this out soon when I get this one that's cooled off. Don't want to put the hot ones. Get them mixed up. Let that drain for a while. Look at that. That's looking good. And I know a lot of people buy mushrooms and they wondering how they gonna use all these mushrooms, how they gonna cook these mushrooms, come up with a different thing. But Mr. Bell here to show you how to do different things with different foods. So I'm gonna put that to the side and I'm gonna press cancel. So I only use 15 minutes out of 30 minutes. Press cancel, and I'm gonna unplug this. And I'm going to take this pot out and set it to the side so this grease can cool off, so I can wash this out last. Okay, I'm going to try one of these. I got one of the ones that cooled off. As you see, it's nice and good. Still got a little part of the stem on it and everything. And I'm going to taste this to see how it tastes. This is delicious. You know, it got a little taste like an oyster or something like that. This is delicious, just like this. You're gonna be testing this, you're gonna try this recipe and you're gonna love it. This is good. And don't forget, stay tuned for the next recipe in Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thanks for watching, Mr. Bell. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! And you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.